Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish in Melon Playground. First, let's dive right in by selecting the human character from your character menu. You'll want to resize this character to a much smaller, more fish-like proportion, perhaps about 1/3 of its original size. Remember to disable collision for easier movement and shaping as we begin our creative process. This initial step sets the foundation for your aquatic creation. Now, let's focus on shaping the fish's body and adding its fins. Grab 2 metal rods and attach them together to create the elongated body. Use wires to firmly connect these segments, ensuring stability. For the fins and tail, consider using wings or plates and carefully position them to mimic natural fish anatomy. You can adjust their size and rotation to achieve the perfect aquatic look, giving your fish a dynamic appearance. To bring your fish to life, let's add some crucial details and enable movement. Attach small buttons or eyes to give your fish a distinct face. For realistic swimming motion, incorporate springs or ropes at key points, allowing for flexible and fluid movement. Don't hesitate to experiment with various materials to achieve different textures, perhaps a smooth body or slightly rougher fins. These small additions make a big difference. Finally, it's time to customize and animate your fish. Apply a vibrant array of colors and textures to make your creation truly unique. Once you're happy with the design, use the physics gun to gently nudge and test its movement, ensuring it swims realistically. Remember to save your masterpiece so you can easily access it later or share it with friends. Enjoy bringing your underwater world to life in Melon Playground.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.